Introducing the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council's program SaskCode, an integrated technology program introducing coding and computational thinking to students from kindergarten to grade 12. SaskCode has fully developed classroom kits and activities that introduce young people to robotics, while also providing professional development to equip educators with the skills to engage their students in this technology. Through a combination of coding, robotics, making, and inquiry, SaskCode addresses Saskatchewan curricular outcomes while building science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, or STEAM skills. This includes developing problem-solving, teamwork, and critical thinking. Online support, professional development, and activities are all free and available. SaskCode is a valuable resource for teachers. Book a training session and secure a kit for your class. Visit www.saskcode.ca for more information.